How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of chest acne scars fast, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, dylanburke999. So I actually had scarring before. If you guys just look at my face, and I always tell you guys to do this because you cannot tell, and I can't even tell either. In the comments section, if you can say where the scarring is on my face, just kind of comment. See if you can figure out where the scar is on my face. So if anyone knows, just comment in the comment section. Again, you can't tell because I've done a few tricks to get rid of the scarring. Same with acne. I used to have a little bit of acne scarring on my chest. I also used to have a little bit of scarring on my face from acne. I've gotten rid of it, all of it, very, very easily. What you need to get rid of chest acne scars fast is you need to make sure that you use what's called a scar cream. There's lots of creams out there, and they're literally called scar cream. They're all pretty generic. They all work pretty well the same, but you need to get a scar cream. That's all I did. I got a random scar cream, applied it, and it worked really well. That's not the only thing. So people are thinking, well, you just put the cream on and you're done. No, that's not the only thing. There are a couple of other things that I did as well. The next thing that I did is first thing every single day in the morning, I would fill my sink up with warm water, put a little bit of soap, and then wash my face with warm soapy water. This helped to remove all the dry and dead skin and all the extra oils on my face. And then I would put the scar cream on first thing in the morning. Again, it's just a little bit of cream and you're not gonna notice it at all. So that was first thing in the morning. At nighttime, it's a little bit differently. I don't put the scar cream on at night. What I will do is I will put just a basic moisturizer on going to bed. Why? Moisturizer makes your skin stronger and healthier. A lot of people think moisturizer is just to make your skin smooth and soft. Not really. It actually makes it stronger, believe it or not. And yes, it helps to get rid of excessive dead skin and dry skin and stuff like that. But it does help it to make stronger, and it can help to get rid of scarring as well. So I put a little moisturizer on just before going to bed. Once per day, that's it. Takes like 10 seconds. Literally what I do is I brush my teeth, I floss, and then I put the moisturizer on, and then I'm done for the night. Super, super simple to do. So yeah, that is the best thing to do. Again, I put it on my face, obviously put it on your chest or wherever the scarring is, and you will get rid of it very, very easily. Again, with the chest, you know how I said I got up in the morning, I put soap, warm soap water on my face. Do the exact same thing, warm water in the sink, but just apply it to the chest scarring. Very, very simple to do. What I did for my chest scarring is I just got a face cloth, I dipped it in the warm soapy water, and then I just washed my chest off, because your chest can get dead skin, you guys, and it can get excessive oil buildup as well, which makes it harder to get rid of the scarring. So again, that's what I did for my face and my chest, and I got rid of the scarring pretty easily, you guys. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.